Hello people. How you doing? How's your life? How's your day? How's your health? Mental health? How's everything? I do really hope everything is fine. Everything is more than and even better than fine. But my name is Alex. Some things stay unchanged. My name is Alex. That I'm earning and trading, and I'm showing you and helping you and sharing with you the information based on which you will be able to earn your money. And all the information is stored in my Telegram private group, where you should be going and just checking this out. Everything is for free. I'm just giving you the information. Nothing is I'm not insisting. I'm just highly recommending. And if you enter there, you'll able to see it on your own. Just that I'm really right. If you are really having some doubts or you are hesitating to do it, just try for once, because everything is for absolutely free. I'm not charging any money. Then you will see by yourself. So let's just start trading. First of all, I'm just changing it to candles. MACD is here. Damn. Don't chain is there. Damn. The zigzag is gonna be there. Damn. Don't chain. Period. 10 styles. Middle. This one. Top. Red one. Bottom. Green one. Saving that. MACD. Fast period. 5. 15 there. And we're going for short, guys. We're going for short because if you take a look at the zigzag, you can see the resistance level there is at 0.70269. And logically, I do really expect, because the previous candle, which was green, he has the candle just touched that resistance level and was not really able to break it. So logically, I do really expect that we're going to be bouncing down, and we might be even touching the middle line of the Don't Change channel. Let's see. Just wait and see. Here we go. The first bid. Perfect. $134 already in my balance. First of all, I'm going to be changing it to 134, and I'm going all in, and I'm going for short. And the main reason why I'm going for short, guys, first of all, we have bounced off from the upper boundary, and the buyer is weak, as shown by the zigzag indicator. And the overall trend is bearish, to be honest. So logically, I would love to go for short. And if you take a look, if you pay attention, we have bounced off from the upper boundary of the Don't Change channel. Let's just make a deal. I'm going to be just calling it channel, right? Just for you to understand. So that's the main reason why I truly believe that we should be going for short. Oh my days, he's just kidding with me, you know. All right, just $257. Great. Let me change the amount to 257. I'm going all in again. We're going for short again, guys, because resistance level is at 1.79333, and we bounced off of it. However, after we did it, sellers, they just broke the middle line of the chain. Immediately after that, buyers broke it, and then they just started going upward, going for long. And here's the red candle, and if you take a look at the MACD, we can see that not the MACD, I'm sorry, we won it. We just won it. Really, it was 1 second left, and it was at the same line that I made the bet, and we just won it perfectly well. Almost $500 in my balance, guys. So, oh my god, wait, 494 all in, going for short, guys. Everything is pretty obvious. Look at the resistance level. It's at 0.71708. That's a very strong one. That resistance level, like, have been proven by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 candles. 6 candles at that level. Can you imagine that? Obviously. And we have just broken through the middle line of the channel. Obvious fact. We're going for short. No way that we're losing it. No way. No freaking way. I don't believe that. Nice. 984. $948 right there. I don't know why, but when I'm tired, I'm just messing the numbers. 984. I mean 948. Stop doing that. Guys, I'm going for long, and the reason for that first of all, we have bounced off from the support level, and I do really expect that we're gonna be breaking the middle line of the channel. Ooh, wow, massive growth. Nice. Right, I told you guys, $1,820 right now. Really, I told you that. Ooh, we are having the biggest trend. $1,820. Just going all in, going for long, guys. Let me see, like. $3,495 on my balance, guys. Brilliant. So, do you still have any questions about trading, about my knowledge, about... Do you still have any hesitation about joining that private group in the Telegram? If yes, just let me know in the comments. You know, let me know in the comments. I'll think about it. It is really very much interesting for me. Why would you have any type of hesitation regarding all the previously mentioned facts? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and join my Telegram private group as well. Peace.